What's going on, guys? So let's talk a little bit about dirt bike clutches because it's actually surprising how many people don't know what to look for. So I'm gonna show you a couple of the issues that I have with mine that you can spot on yours if you wanna check your clutch, if you're having issues with your clutch. So this is the old clutch, the one I just took off, and I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I found with this clutch. One, you see that I have a crack on one of the pillars, and it wasn't causing an issue, but it might get to a point where it might strip when I pull the clutch, and that might be bad because parts start flying around and start breaking stuff. So if you see something like this, like a crack like this, I would recommend you get a new one. Also, this part, the inner hub, everything seems fine with that one, but if you come look at the outer basket, let me pull this out of here. Look at those grooves. Look at the grooves. It grooved the basket pretty bad. So there's two options here. You can file this and make it smoother again and get a little more life out of it, but you also gotta account that you're gonna have more playing here, so every time the clutch hits, it's gonna move more and it's gonna hit harder, so it will groove it quicker. Even on the plates you can see that they have some wear, so what I did is I just ended up getting a new one. What you're looking here is, since I was taking it apart, I also changed my kickstart gear because it's starting to slip and it's getting hard to start now. So I just got the gaskets. This is the new basket, and you can see there's no grooves on that. It's a second-hand basket, but it looks brand new. I checked everything. It doesn't have any grooves. It looks like they barely use it. Put a new gear in it. It also used, but in good shape, because this is a 32-year-old bike, so it's kind of hard to get parts for it. But that should fix my problem. Another problem that you can run into, I dropped the bike in the water before, and when I took it apart, usually the oil actually makes like a sediment, and it did have a little bit of water in it still, even I changed the oil. So it was a good thing that I took it apart. I cleaned it really good, and now I'm putting it back together with new oil, so everything should be fine. Should be clean oil, and that should fix the problem now. So should be ready to go. Wrap.